Hello, subscribers and visitors. Today, let's look at short vowel sounds. Okay, vowels typically have two different sounds, the long sound and the short sound. Now, it is time to talk about the short sound. The short sound for the letter A is A. The short sound for the letter E is E. The short sound for the letter I is I. The short sound for the letter O is A. The short sound for the letter U is A. Let's look at some sample words. Repeat after me. Bat, red, pin, dog, cup. The rule for short vowel sounds is this. If a vowel letter in a syllable is followed by a consonant, it takes a short vowel sound. In the first example, bat, we can see that the A is followed by the T, so the A takes the short A sound. We also see that there is no E after the T. Red is spelled R-E-D. Because the vowel letter E is followed by the consonant D, the E takes a short E sound. Red. Pin is spelled P-I-N. Because the vowel letter I is followed by the consonant N, the I takes a short I sound. Pin. Dog is spelled D-O-G. Because the vowel letter O is followed by the consonant G, the O takes a short A sound. Dog. Cup is spelled C-U-P. Because the vowel letter U is followed by the consonant P, the U takes a short A sound. Cup. Perhaps the hard part about short vowel sounds is that they don't match the names of the letters. The long sound for the letter A is A. That is easy. The short sound for the letter A is A. That is a bit harder, at least at first. With practice, this should become easier. But right now, the easy part is that there is only one rule for short vowel sounds. Remember that long vowel sounds have 3 rules. Short vowel sounds have only one.